In today's video, I'm going to show you exactly how to fix the Photoshop graphics processor not detected problem. If Photoshop is not recognizing your GPU, you might notice features like smooth zoom, 3D tools, neural filters, or other GPU-accelerated features not working properly. This is a very common issue, especially after a Photoshop update, a new graphics driver installation, or when using laptops that have both integrated and dedicated graphics cards. The good news is that in most cases, this problem can be fixed in just a few minutes with a few simple settings. I'll walk you through each fix step by step so you can get Photoshop detecting your graphics card again and running at full performance. And if this video helps you out, make sure to hit that like button and subscribe to the channel for more simple Photoshop tutorials and troubleshooting guides. Alright, let's jump straight into the first fix. The first thing you should do is enable the graphics processor inside Photoshop settings. Sometimes the GPU is available on your system, but Photoshop simply has the option turned off. To check this, open Photoshop on your computer. Once Photoshop is open, go to the top menu and click on Edit. From the drop-down menu, scroll down and click on Preferences, and then select Performance. This will open the Performance Settings window, where Photoshop manages memory usage, cache levels, and GPU acceleration. Inside this window, look for the option called Use Graphics Processor. If the box is unchecked, that means Photoshop is currently not using your GPU. Go ahead and check the box to enable it. After enabling it, click on the button that says Advanced Settings. In this section, you'll see a setting called Drawing Mode. Set the drawing mode to Advanced. This allows Photoshop to use the full capability of your graphics processor for rendering, zooming, and other GPU-accelerated features. After changing the drawing mode to Advanced, click OK. Then click OK again to close Preferences. Now restart Photoshop so the changes can take effect. Once Photoshop opens again, check if the graphics processor is now detected and active. If the GPU is still not detected, the next thing to check is whether your graphics card is actually supported by Photoshop. Adobe requires a relatively modern graphics card with OpenGL 2.0 support or higher. To check compatibility, go to the top menu in Photoshop and click on Help. In the Help menu, look for an option called GPU Compatibility. When you click this, Photoshop will run a quick check and show information about your graphics card and whether it is supported. If Photoshop reports that the GPU is unsupported or has limited support, that may explain why the graphics processor option is disabled. In that case, updating your graphics drivers or using a newer GPU may resolve the issue. Now, if you are using a laptop, there is another very common cause of this problem. Many laptops have two graphics processors, an integrated GPU and a dedicated high-performance GPU. Sometimes Windows assigns Photoshop to the integrated graphics instead of the powerful one. To fix this, open your Windows settings and go to System, then click on Display. Scroll down until you find Graphics Settings. Inside this section, click Browse and locate Photoshop.exe on your computer. After adding Photoshop to the list, click on it and choose Options. Then select High Performance. This forces Windows to run Photoshop using your dedicated GPU instead of the integrated graphics processor. Save the change and restart Photoshop to see if the GPU is now detected. Another simple fix is updating Photoshop itself. Older versions of Photoshop sometimes fail to properly detect newer graphics cards or drivers. To update Photoshop, open the Adobe Creative Cloud application on your computer. Go to the Apps section and check for updates. If an update for Photoshop is available, click Update and let Creative Cloud install the latest version. Once the update finishes, reopen Photoshop and check the performance settings again. And that's it. Those are the most effective ways to fix the Photoshop graphics processor not detected issue. If this tutorial helped you solve the problem, make sure to hit the like button and subscribe to the channel for more quick and easy Photoshop fixes. Thanks for watching, and I'll see you in the next video.